Hey guys, and welcome back to Palmy Tea. This time we are going to make a delicious oven-baked grapefruit. And this is basically just dessert for breakfast. So let's get straight into it. First, you'll need 2 large grapefruits. You'll need some sugar, ground cinnamon, honey, and light brown sugar. I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. First thing you want to do is you want to cut your grapefruit in half. And I already have it pre-cut, and it will look like that. And you want to cut it just like that. And you put them in here. And then what you want to do is you want just to slice these just like this. Just like so, and you want to do it all around. Next step, what you want to do is you want to grab your brown sugar and you just want to just place all these clumps all around it, like you can see we did for these two. So you just want to, and they're pretty big clumps, so don't be scared, because you want to put a lot of it in. So it will just soak it, and the flavor is amazing. So after the brown sugar has soaked into the grapefruit for a couple of minutes, you want to add some honey, and you just want to fill it up all the way to the top, just like so. See, there's one. Then you want to do the same for the rest. Once you're done adding the honey, you just want to add a sprinkle of sugar. Now this helps add a crunchy texture to the grapefruit, which makes it absolutely delicious. Then you can always add a little more, sprinkle it off. Okay, once you're done with that, you just want to add some cinnamon. Not a lot, because if you add a lot of cinnamon, it tastes horrible. Okay, so now it's off to the oven for this, guys. 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, now that the 15 minutes have passed by, we are going to open it and take it out. Now remember, this is really hot, so please be careful. Oh, can you guys see the honey? Now we just place it right here. Ta-da! Alright guys, here's the finishing project. Would you look at this? This is amazing. You can see how the honey just expanded and went through all the crevices. And this is it. This is how you make the oven-baked grapefruit breakfast for dessert, dessert for breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time. Later!